project is main aim to detect the traffic signal automation system, like if there is any vehicle passing through that signal, so how much time it require, like how much time it needs to cross the signals, each and everything we are going to describe. Like it's only mainly it's going to depend on the emergency portions, and as well as here we are going to make a deep learning vehicle recognition like CNN we are going to use, because to define a multiple vehicle classifications we are going to define. So that's why here we are going to use CNN, and here we are going to use the Python Flask framework for the user interface. Okay, and so these are the normal signal matrix. So if the ambulance is going to cross, so it will take 0 seconds, 0 seconds, because of the emergency priority. Okay, and so we will go with a login system. So here we are not going to use any kind of database or anything, just we are going to provide a static login credentials here, username admin and password admin. So once it all are clear, so it's going to make, we can upload a image. So click on upload image. So we are going to upload, for suppose here I'm going to upload first ambulance. So we'll check, first we will go with a bus. Okay, and analyze, click on analyze vehicle. So here we can upload images. So first we will upload image of bus. We'll check it once. So what we are going to get. So we are going to click on analyze vehicle. So it's a bus, 90% of confidence. Now like that only we are going to upload one more image like ambulance, for suppose. So I'm going to upload any one of the ambulance image. So processing vehicle. So it's a ambulance. So it's an emergency, 0 seconds. And we can view the performance and metrics also. So overall accuracy, average precision, average recall, and average upfront score. So these are the how many of we uploaded images and how many we made predictions, each and everything. It's going to display in a chart by color. Okay. So ambulance detection is 96% most of the time we did. Okay, this is the overall project.